How to withdraw from Deel to bank account. Google search for Deel withdrawal methods and you want to scroll down until you see this link, app.deel.com withdrawal methods. Click on it. Once you select it, make sure you sign into your Deel account, and right here you will see the option to add a method. So you just want to add your bank as a payment method, and once you have added it, you can go to the home screen or click on your profile icon in the top left and click on withdraw. There it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, withdrawal, and you have the option of using your full balance, typing a separate amount or a specific amount which you want. Then you will have to choose which account you want to withdraw from and to which payment method. So like I said, if you have connected your bank, you will see bank transfer here, and it's going to give you this summary here, the withdrawal amount, the fee, and if it's exchanged to another currency, it's going to be displayed. Then you just want to click on withdraw, and that is how you cash out from Deel to your bank account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.